Actor Kim Do Hoon shared an update after suffering a serious motorcycle accident during filming practice. On October 30th, a press conference for the TVING original series Dear X was held at CGV Yongsan I'Park Mall in Seoul. Cast members Kim Yoo Jung, Young Dae, Kim Do Hoon, Yeol Eum, and director Lee Eung Bok attended the event. Kim Do Hoon was injured last March while practicing motorcycle scenes for the drama, suffering a fracture in his left forearm that required hospitalization and surgery. Doctors estimated a 24-week recovery period. When asked about his condition, Kim Do Hoon shared, "I'm receiving proper treatment and recovering well." He added, "It was an unexpected accident that happened during practice. I actually know how to ride a motorcycle and was being careful, but it was something I couldn't have imagined." He continued, "Through this experience, I've learned to be even more cautious in the future," reassuring fans of his improving health. When MC Park Kyung Lim jokingly said, "You came dressed like a biker today," Kim Do Hoon wittily replied, "I came by car today. I don't think I'll be riding a motorcycle anytime soon," drawing laughter from the audience. TVING's upcoming drama Dear X, starring Kim Do Hoon, premieres on November 6th. The series tells the story of Baek Ah Jin, played by Kim Yoo Jung, a woman striving to escape her hellish reality by climbing to the top, and the X figures she mercilessly crushes along the way. Kim Do Hoon plays Kim Jae Oh, Ah Jin's shadow and silent supporter, a complex character who stays by her side even while knowing she is using him. Since debuting in the 2016 independent film Shadow, Kim Do Hoon has steadily built his filmography through projects such as SBS's Dr. John, MBC's Here's My Plan, SBS's The Escape of the Seven, SBS's The Escape of the Seven, Resurrection, and TVN's Law and the City. He is best known for his performance in Disney+'s Moving. See also, BTS's J-Hope and Jungkook join Jin on stage for #Runsok Jinep. Tour_encore